Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Monday morning, post MIPIN, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Pretty crazy week last week, a lot going on, a lot of nice sun, a lot of good sunshine, warm weather, a lot of real estate activities. Of course, our cocktail party, a huge success. Thank you all for coming to that. Now it seems like we're just full and meeting everyone there. Also, a lot looking at southeastern Europe, and it's a big, also another market booming. Yeah, and Romania, of course. Again, it's that time of the year where we're putting together the final things, the final parts for our SEE Real Estate Awards at the Radisson Hotel in Bucharest, and that's April 6th. So a couple weeks away. Definitely, if you haven't booked a table yet, book it now. We got a lot of exciting people coming in, a lot of nominations, really from the whole region. Yeah, I mean, I saw there was some from Serbia, from Croatia, even
Yes, it is. The whole region's represented. Yeah.
Slovenia a bit, and a few people coming up from Moldova. Thanks for joining. So if you're looking at that region at all, this is the one opportunity within a day you could meet a lot of them. So we got a great conference planned. A lot of new people signing up from that we talked to at MIPIN. So there's a couple more tables left, a few more tickets left, and a couple of sponsorship opportunities. But they will go quick, I think, this week as people are coming back from MIPIM. So we hope to see you there. And then, of course, in May is right around the corner. We've got our May 11th. We've got our CEO Awards nomination launch in Belgrade at the Hilton. The week after, we have our CEE, our retail CEE marketplace, and SEE covering SEE marketplace. A lot of deals, a lot of deal making going on there. A lot of retailers, brands, some tech, some leisure companies looking to move into the region. So if you've got an opportunity or you've got a space for them, sign up, get a meeting point. We want to. So we've got a team setting up pre meetings already. And then, of course, our Baltic Awards, which I'm looking forward to for the first time up by the Baltic coast and SOPOT at the brand new Radisson Hotel there, and very interesting. A lot of new faces that you wouldn't have met before unless you were in Scandinavia or in the Nordics or even the Baltics. So a lot of them coming down to see what the opportunities are here in the CE region, but also the investors coming to see what's going on up there. So it'll be great to see all of them in one place. Um, yeah, and if you didn't get a magazine at MIPIN, you can pick up a copy. You can get a copy online. Of course, we have it on our website, EuropaProperty.com. And we can also send you out a hard copy if you'd like one. So we'll take a little break now, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. So, Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig. Yeah, you
Yeah.
survived.
Yeah, survived, all back and ready for action. It's nice to see the sun out here in Warsaw as well.
Yeah, yeah. Spring's
Yeah,
arrived.
yeah.
A little bit better. Um, yeah. So we'll start today with Atrium, and they've rebranded to G City Europe,
Mm,
and it's a Atrium, obviously, specializes in locally dominant food, fashion, and entertainment shopping centers.
sure.
And they pick the best urban locations, and that's quite apparent in Warsaw, where they've got their flagship Warszawa Junior,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Atrium Promenada, and Atrium Targovic, and Atrium Reduta.
Right.
And they've also got pretty big one in Wrocław,
Mm.
and they've also got Atrium Flora in Prague.
So they're changing the names of all these shopping centers.
Yeah, they will be rebranded to G City Europe. Yeah,
Oh, right.
and
Great.
according to Ryan Lee, he's the group CEO of G City Europe.
Hmm.
He says G City Europe will continue to pursue its strategy to become a dominant player in highly dense urban markets with high entry barriers. So yeah, so that'll be rebranding at some point. So
Excellent.
keep your eye out for that.
Yeah, for sure.
Moving to southeastern Europe, and Marriott Hotels is going to open the Tirana Marriott Hotel, the first Marriott hotel in Albania.
Mm.
And according to area vice president, which is Panke Bira, we're excited to open the first Marriott Hotels property in Albania in the emerging capital of Tirana. The arrival of the first Marriott Hotel property to Albania reinforces our footprint in this dynamic part of Europe. And Levent Cengiz, who's the general manager of the hotel in Tirana, Tirana is the centre of the political, economic, and cultural life in the country and is a growing destination both for holiday and business guests.
Yeah, I talked to a lot of Europeans that go to Albania for holiday now.
Yeah, it's a very
Mhm.
popular destination. Yeah,
Mhm.
so not surprising that hotels are following it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Moving to Romania,
Mhm.
and Romanian developer Impact has completed 209 apartments,
Oh,
and this is the first phase of the Borrell Plus residential project in Constantia. And the second phase of the project will feature 132 apartments, and the whole complex will have 673 residential apartments, and it's got an estimated value of 84 million euros. And the ongoing residential developments for the company include Bucharest, Constantia, and Wasi. And finally, for today, moving to Poland and in the office market,
mhm.
office regional market, Galamco's Creo and Craft office buildings, which are under construction in Krakow and Katowice, will be the first regional properties in the regional cities of Poland to receive the Smart Score certificate, which confirms their high standard of intelligent solutions. In addition, the office buildings will be also the first to be rated for technological advancements in the wide scored certificate. And according to Yaroslav Zagorski, Commercial and Business Development Director at Galamco, he says, our projects have always gone in hand with advanced technology, high user comfort, and cutting edge solutions. The Smart Score certification system has appeared on the Polish market relatively recently, although it's not new to us. Last year, we certified our Warsaw skyscraper, The Bridge,
Oh, yeah, right. Well, I see them building the bridge here in Warsaw already.
just
So
around the corner from
yeah,
here.
yeah, just around the corner here from Panettoni Cafe. So great. Yeah, we'll probably see Yaroslav down in at the next event or one of the events
Maybe you'll
coming
see
up.
him in Panettone Cafe.
Maybe we will. Exactly. So thank you all for watching the show this week here at the Panettone Cafe, and we will see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.